Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Platinum Card from American Express. This card merits a spot in your wallet if you travel frequently and want to do so in elegance. This card has a great deal of perk potential. Other premium travel cards offer generous rewards on getting around, but the Amex Platinum is packed with extras aimed at a specific demographic. Someone who wants to skip airport security and head straight to a lounge, who lives in a major city and enjoys working out at the upscale Equinox Gym, shopping at Saks Fifth Avenue, and taking Uber regularly. Consider that the card has a $695 annual charge, which means that regardless of how nice the statement credits are, you're effectively receiving an expensive coupon book with the card. If you pay the annual fee, you'll get discounts that could potentially outweigh the cost of ownership, but only if you use them to their maximum capacity. A high-end credit card usually necessitates a perfect credit score, and the Amex Platinum is no different. If you're considering applying for the card, keep in mind that you'll have the highest chance of getting approved if your credit score is in the good to exceptional area. FICO, the most well-known credit scoring model, works on a range of 300 to 850 points. A credit score of 700 to 850 is generally regarded as good to excellent on that scale. Anything more than that is deemed exceptional. Let's begin by looking at the pros of owning the Platinum Card from American Express. When you pay with your Platinum Card, you will receive $200 in statement credits each year on prepaid fine hotels, plus resorts or the hotel collection bookings that require a minimum 2-night stay through American Express travel. If you fly, you can get up to $200 in statement credits every calendar year after selecting a qualifying airline and having incidental expenses charged to your Platinum Card by the airline. You will get entertainment credit up to $240. Get up to $20 back every month on qualified Platinum Card purchases of one or more of the following: Audible, Disney, the Disney Bundle, ESPN, Hulu. You will get $155 Walmart credit. Use a statement credit to cover the cost of a $12.95 monthly Walmart Plus membership after paying for it with your Platinum Card each month. The price includes $12.95 in addition to any applicable local sales tax. Plus-ups are not permitted. The Centurion network has grown to include more than 40 Centurion lounge and studio locations throughout the world, according to American Express. There are many more venues where your Platinum Card can offer you free admission and exclusive rewards. You will get up to $200 in airline fee credit and Uber cash. Get up to $200 in airline fee credits and Uber cash every calendar year at one qualifying airline. Annually, receive Uber VIP status and up to $200 in Uber savings on rides or food orders in the United States. Only basic card members have access to Uber Cash and Uber VIP status, $300 Equinox credit. When you pay with your Platinum Card, you can get up to $25 back each month on the Equinox Digital Fitness app or qualified Equinox Club memberships. When you use your card, you can save up to $189 off your Clear membership per year. Clear is provided at a limited number of airports and sports venues. The American Express Platinum Card is one of many cards that have a global entry or TSA pre-check credit. Both apps help you to cut down on your airport time. You won't have to remove your shoes, belt, or light jacket when going through security if you have TSA pre-check, and you won't have to remove your laptop or liquids from your carry-on. When you pay for global entry or TSA pre-check using your American Express Platinum Card, you'll get a statement credit equal to the cost of the subscription. Because you must renew for membership during your 4th year before it expires, The credit can be used every 4 years for TSA pre-check and every 4.5 years for global entry. Terms and conditions apply. The membership is $85 for 5 years. Global entry has all of the advantages of TSA pre-check, plus it allows you to enter the United States faster when you return from a trip overseas. Let's dive into the cons of owning the Platinum Card from American Express. The $695 annual cost is extremely excessive. The $695 yearly charge is only worthwhile if you use the card to its maximum potential. Rare passengers may not get enough value for their money. It's unlikely that you'll be able to get the annual fee eliminated on a high-end card like the Amex Platinum. Instead, you might try to offset the expense of the annual fee by making the most of the card's rewards and privileges. For instance, if you use the $200 airline incidental credit, $240 digital subscription credit, and $200 prepaid hotel booking credit for reservations made through fine hotels and resorts or the hotel collection, you'll save enough money to cover the yearly charge. Maximizing statement credits demands some effort and may be impractical for some. You can only earn bonus credits on specified travel and hotel purchases outside of the current introductory offer, so it's not a fantastic card for other spending categories. When compared to the broader travel credits offered by other premium cards, the annual airline fee credit can be difficult to make use of. Let's look at the rewards the Platinum Card comes with. The American Express Platinum Card earns rewards at the following rates: 5 points per dollar on flights booked directly with airlines or through American Express travel on expenditures, up to $500,000 per calendar year. 5 points per dollar on prepaid hotels booked through American Express travel, and 1 point per dollar on all other eligible transactions. After spending $6,000 on the card during the first 6 months, members will earn 100,000 membership rewards points as a welcome incentive. Points earned from various Amex membership rewards cards are automatically merged into one membership rewards account as long as your account is open. Let's look at how you can redeem your rewards. There are several methods you can use or redeem your rewards. American Express Travel allows you to use your points to book flights and other travel. When redeeming points for flights, they are worth 1 penny each, but only 0.7 cents when redeeming points for prepaid hotels, rental vehicles, or cruises. Over a dozen airline and hotel partners accept membership rewards points, with several of them offering one-to-one transfers. Delta Airlines, British Airways Avios, which may be used on American Airlines flights, and Air Canada Aeroplan are among the most popular, which can be used to fly United Airlines. Hilton, Marriott Bonvoy, and Choice are among the hotel partners. You may optimize the value of your points by transferring them and utilizing them for premium cabin travel, but you can also utilize your rewards to improve your travel. Gift card redemptions typically pay 1 cent per point, while using your points as a statement credit against a transaction pays 0.6 cents per point. You may also purchase using points at select merchants such as Amazon, Best Buy, Box.com, Saks Fifth Avenue, and others. This option is usually valued at 0.7 cents per point, although it can be worth more or less depending on the selection. Here are my thoughts on the card. Overall, I would rate this card: rewards 9 out of 10, benefits 10 out of 10, customer experience 7 out of 10, low interest 3 out of 10, low fees 1 out of 10. The American Express Platinum Card is ideal for regular travelers who spend a lot of money and have credit ratings above 700. The annual charge of $695 is well worth it for those who can take advantage of the card's first bonus and other features. Because of the card's 700+ credit score and supposedly high income requirements, the American Express Platinum Card is difficult to get approved for, and thus will be difficult for the typical person to receive. The Platinum Card from American Express is not ideal for people that are occasional travelers who fly coach and stay at the Holiday Inn. For many, the card's several annual credits may be the difference between success and failure. If you can make the most of the credits, you'll be able to more than make up for the card's high annual charge. However, if you won't be able to spend many of the card's annual credits, it might not be worth it for you. It can be a good fit for your wallet if you're a regular to a constant traveler who doesn't mind spending money on quality and would like to be rewarded for it. This wraps up my review of the Platinum Card from American. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.